Hi, I'm doing a giveaway on these 2 skeins of yarn, and all I ask is that you comment down below something crochet related, and also I have links for my promotions down below if you'd like to take a look. I have a Facebook page and group that's new for crocheting, and I also have 2 books that are crochet that are for sale on Amazon, and Knit Crate and crochet mugs in a bag on Etsy. These are the 2 skeins that I'm giving away. Please be a subscriber. Comment down below. It's sponsored by me, not by YouTube. I also will pick a winner in a couple of weeks to about a week. So come back and see if you're the winner. I'll pick it with the random comment picker. Now this one is called the Charisma Loops and Threads. 109 yards, 3.5 ounces, and the color is Sage. It's to do a review on it. If you've never had this type of yarn, use this type of yarn. Very soft. It's more on the thicker side, and this one is made in Turkey. It's a bulky 5, and that's why, because it's more of a bulkier yarn. I will see if I can find these on Amazon, so I will link those down below if you'd like to see if you can find it in different colors too. And it's really soft. It kind of has like a little bit of a flyaway on it, on the yarn, like a little fuzzy. Very soft, very pretty color. It's like a very light green, medium green, light green, like a mint. I would recommend this just because it's so soft, and if you like bulky, and it just depends on what you're trying to make, if you are looking for something that you want more of a thicker yarn. That's that one giveaway. The other giveaway is Impeccable Loops and Threads again. They do a lot of sales at Michael's for loops and threads when I go in there, so I like to just stock up on some loops and threads while I'm in there. This is a size 4 medium, and it's a luxury color. That's what it's called. And 187 yards, 3.5 ounces. Now, if this is your first time ever seeing this or using this, I will link this one down below. I'm pretty sure it's on Amazon. It's a finer yarn, multicolored, like a purple, lavender green, dark blue. Very pretty colors. These are probably my all-time favorite colors. Okay, so I of course give 2 thumbs up for both of these yarns. It depends what you're looking for. If you're looking for a bulkier yarn, you go with this one, a finer yarn. This one like a medium worsted. And just make sure you're a subscriber to participate. Comment down below something perhaps that you're working on. All links will be down below this video if you'd like to take a look. Okay, so thank you for watching.